Fear manifests in countless ways. It's the entrepreneur who never launches their idea, the aspiring speaker who avoids the stage, the creative who never shares their work, or the individual who stays in a comfortable, unfulfilling job because the unknown is too terrifying. Instead of saying, "People are afraid to take action," it provides concrete scenarios: never launches their idea, avoids the stage, never shares their work, stays in a comfortable, unfulfilling job. These actions paint a clear picture of how fear paralyzes individuals. Emotional resonance. The phrases, "unfulfilling job" and "unknown is too terrifying" tap into a deeper emotional core. They highlight the personal cost of fear, implying missed dreams and prolonged discomfort, which can powerfully connect with the audience's own anxieties. This isn't about lacking courage, it's about the overwhelming nature of facing your biggest fears head-on. Our brains are wired to avoid perceived threats, and often, the biggest threats are simply the things we haven't done before. The problem with tackling fear head-on is that it often triggers an intense fight, flight, or freeze response. If you try to jump from the ground to the top of a skyscraper, you'll likely feel overwhelmed and give up before you even start. This all-or-nothing approach is why so many people remain paralyzed by their anxieties. The secret to conquering fear isn't about eliminating it entirely, it's about reducing its intensity and building your confidence gradually, through controlled exposure. This is where the fear ladder comes in. It's a powerful psychological technique, rooted in exposure therapy, that helps you systematically desensitize yourself to anxiety-inducing situations. Instead of making a giant, terrifying leap, you break down your fear into a series of smaller, manageable steps. Each step becomes a rung on your ladder, leading you incrementally towards your ultimate goal. By mastering one rung at a time, you build momentum, gather evidence of your capability, and gradually reprogram your brain's response from panic to confidence. Step 1. Identify your ultimate fear goal. What is the big, scary thing you've been avoiding? Be specific. It could be launching your business, giving a keynote speech, quitting your job, starting a difficult conversation, or cold calling potential clients. This is the top rung of your ladder. For example, if you're terrified of public speaking, your ultimate fear goal might be: deliver a 30-minute presentation to 100 people. Step 2. Break it down into micro steps. This is the most crucial part. Work backward from your ultimate goal. What is the absolute smallest, easiest step you can take that still involves a tiny bit of discomfort related to your fear? Then, what's the next slightly harder step, and so on. Each step should be challenging enough to feel a slight edge of fear, but not so overwhelming that you freeze. Let's use the public speaking example. Rung 1. Easiest, practice talking to yourself in the mirror for 5 minutes. Rung 2. Practice talking to a pet or plant. Rung 3. Record yourself speaking for 2 minutes and watch it. Rung 4. Practice your presentation to one trusted friend or family member. Rung 5. Practice to 2 friends. Rung 6. Record a short video of yourself speaking and post it to a private group or trusted few. Rung 7. Deliver a 5-minute presentation to a small, friendly group, e.g., Toastmasters. Rung 8. Deliver a 10-minute presentation to a slightly larger group. Rung 9. Deliver a 20-minute presentation to a larger group. Rung 10. Ultimate goal: deliver a 30-minute presentation to 100 people. Step 3. Assign a fear rating, 0-100. For each rung, assign a subjective fear rating. 0 is no fear, 100 is pure panic. This helps you ensure the steps are truly incremental. If a jump between rungs feels too big, e.g., from 20 to 80, break that step down further. For instance, rung 1, mirror, might be a 10, rung 4, one friend, a 30, and rung 7, Toastmasters, a 60. Step 4. Start climbing, one rung at a time. Begin with the lowest rung. Your goal is to successfully complete each step multiple times until your fear rating for that specific rung significantly decreases. Don't rush. The aim is to habituate yourself to the situation. Stay at a rung until you feel comfortable before moving to the next. Practice the first rung until the anxiety associated with it feels manageable or even boring. Then, move to the next. If a rung feels too overwhelming, go back to the previous one and try to break it down even further. Step 5. Celebrate small victories and acknowledge progress. Every rung climbed is a win. Acknowledge your bravery and resilience. Each small success provides tangible evidence that you can do it, building confidence and momentum for the next step. This positive reinforcement is crucial for reprogramming your brain. After completing a rung, take a moment to reflect. Ask yourself, I did that. That wasn't as bad as I thought. What did I learn? Step 6. Be consistent and patient. Building a fear ladder isn't about speed, it's about sustainable progress. Consistency is key. Even small, regular steps will eventually lead you to the top. There might be days you feel a setback, that's normal. Just return to the last comfortable rung and continue. Schedule your fear ladder practice into your week. Treat it like an important appointment. Consider Sarah, a talented software developer who dreamt of launching her own app but was paralyzed by the fear of failure and the overwhelming tasks involved. Her ultimate fear goal was, launch my app and get my first 100 paying customers. Instead of freezing, she built her fear ladder. Her first rung was simply, research app development costs for 30 minutes. Then, outline the core features on paper. Talk to one potential user about their needs. Create a simple mock-up. Show the mock-up to 3 more people and ask for feedback. Each small step, meticulously completed, reduced her fear and built her confidence. She didn't jump into coding or marketing. She systematically desensitized herself to the process, eventually launching her app and surpassing her customer goal. Her ladder wasn't about eliminating fear, but about making it manageable enough to take consistent, progressive action. The fear ladder isn't a magical cure, but a practical, powerful strategy to systematically dismantle any challenge. It transforms overwhelming dread into manageable tasks, building your courage and competence with each successful step. It's about understanding that freedom from fear isn't found in its absence, but in your consistent, incremental mastery over it. Start building your ladder today, and watch as those insurmountable challenges become stepping stones to your greatest achievements. To help you get started on your own journey of conquering fear, we've created a free, downloadable resource just for you, the Complete Fear Audit Kit, your action plan template. This template provides a structured guide to help you identify your fears, break them down into manageable steps, and track your progress as you climb towards your goals. If this video resonates with you, do me a favor by subscribing right now, then like and share. Download it for free by clicking the link in the description below this video. It's time to build your ladder and unlock a life of courage and boundless possibility.